Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we're continuing our R2 build. We've got issue 35 right here, and we've got some parts, and I have no idea what this is. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Alright, here are the parts that you get with this issue. You've got the lightsaber tube right half, left half, a couple of catches, a couple of springs, a couple of washers, and the tube cap. You also get a whole bunch of screws that you're not going to need for this issue, but you will need 7 of the 6mm black screws. You won't need any of the parts from previous builds, and it looks like we're not going to need the tube cap either, so let's go ahead and set that to the side. Alright, to begin, we're going to start by attaching these catches to the tubes, and you can see on the tubes there are 2 slots. If you take a look at these catches, they've got little things that'll fit right in those slots, just like that. Once you've got that in there, you'll want to take one of the springs, put that on just like this. You'll take one of the 6mm screws and one of the washers, put the screw through the washer, and then that is going to screw into the base that is provided right in there. If you can line it up right. And you're going to want to do that on both sides of the lightsaber. Alright, that is one done. You can see there's still enough room for the catch to come out, and the spring will hold it in place. Now the instructions say screw this in so that the spring is lightly compressed, but the images show that the screw is screwed all the way in, much like it is on mine. So that is how I'm going to leave it. And I mean, that's a pretty good catch there. It's actually a little more compression than I thought there would be. But let's go ahead and do this on the other tube. All right, there we go. Both halves are done. Nice. At this point, you'll just want to slide the halves together just like this. And you're going to have to put the 5 remaining screws through these 5 holes with the rounded edges. Don't put a screw through this square one here, just the ones with the rounded edges. Okay? And based on the image, it looks like the screws are going to come in from this side. Oops. If you take a look, on this edge, the screw bases are smaller. This is the larger one, so it looks like the screws are going to come in through the larger side. All right, and there you have it. One lightsaber tube complete with the spring catches. I'm not particularly sure what this is for. I know it's supposed to have a lightsaber that comes up through. I think it's probably going to come up this way, and these catches will hold it in place. But I could be wrong. I'm excited to see what comes next. But that actually finishes off this particular issue. And there you have it, everyone. Issue 35 is complete. We have more screws and a couple of extra spare parts. I don't know what comes next. I can't wait to see. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.